This is Milestone 4. I have the in-game store working, and I've also connected the in-game store to Google Play billing. The in-game store is where the player will purchase extra ammo and gem power-ups and wisdom potion power-ups using their health points. So right now my health is at 100 and I have 5 pieces of ammo. So I just bought gems, and you get a notification each time you purchase an item, and you can delete that notification here. So now my health is at 75. And I've bought more gems. Now my health is at 50. And you'll get a notification if you can't afford an item. Or you won't be able to buy the item. It says that I can't afford it. And this is for the user to buy VIP membership to receive VIP in-game benefits. And this is the fake store screen that comes up. I'm using Unity, IEP, Unity in-app purchasing, and I looked up a YouTube tutorial that shows a easy way to incorporate Google Play billing with Unity that uses less code. And after you purchase, you receive this golden star that lets you know that you're a VIP member. And this over here is the instructions that come up whenever the game is when the game first starts. It says whether on the red team or the blue team, the game host must shoot first. So the game host must shoot first. And make sure firewall is turned off on your device before starting gameplay. Firewall must be turned off for the internet functionality to work within the game, such as the TCP communication and UDP. And whenever a user powers up, it's displayed right here on the chat screens. See, it says that I've powered up. It's displayed and then it'll disappear. And that's done through UDP packets. And here's some of the code. Um, this is the code for the in-app purchasing through Google Play Billing. The IAP button is active once the game starts up, and the notification is not active. And if using the Unity editor for testing, the button is set active to false, and the notification button is set active to true, to stop it from appearing on editor. Stop the button from appearing when you're testing it in the Unity editor. And once the purchase is complete, you will see the notification. And this is the simplest way to incorporate Google Play Billing with the least bit of code as possible. And this came from a tutorial on YouTube. And this is the code that adds items each time you buy gems, a health potion, a wisdom potion, or ammo. So the cost of the item are your health points, and your health points are taken from the user account manager, which has important variables stored. And once you use your health points to purchase that item, you're given the extra health points to power up. So once you buy the gems, you're given 15 extra health points, and that's added to the list. You get the notification that you bought that item, and your health points and current ammo is displayed once you open the store up. So here's the notification that you've bought the item. And I used a couple of tutorials on YouTube to get ideas of how to put together a functional in-game store. It was kind of tricky. And here is the UDP packets. Send in the UDP packets. This sends the information about whether the player has powered up. This starts the connection. It registers your IP to the port. And this script here, this part of the script listens for messages. And this is the function that sends the message. And this script here is what receives the message and displays it through the UI text. And after 10 seconds, the message disappears. This is the coroutine that hides the message after 10 seconds. It checks for the boolean if the user has bought an item, has powered up with either gems or a health potion. And it was kind of tricky getting this to work. I had to Google around through the Unity help community. And I've also improved the boards and flocking algorithm. I've changed the cohesion radius. I've lessened the radius so that the AI army characters can can travel in closer proximity to each other. And I've also lessened the separation distance so that they are army characters aren't so far apart. They're traveling they're traveling close together. They're not flying far apart. And I increased the speed that they travel. And that was easy to do. I just changed these variables up here. And I've also added a small animation that appears once the character receives damage. The character is highlighted in yellow once they receive damage. So this is the game object that's displayed when the character receives damage. The image appears for 6 seconds and then disappears. there's the damage image.